Hey, Cicada Hunters. What are you looking for?
Cicadas. We also found cheddar.
Oh, clues. Clues that these cicadas are here. We need a long stick, or we need to maybe get the drone or something.
Maybe we can get a rock.
You missed the whole tree. You didn't. Wait, what? You got one?
Is it that? Yeah.
Yes, yes. Yeah. Yeah. This one was like coming out of a shell. It's like a cicada coming out of a shell. I don't know if it's still alive though. It looks a little on the brown side.
Alright, throw it. Tap it.
Somebody get a stick and stick it. It's
That's
dead. Oh! Oh!
That's dead.
Just dropped out of that tree. Gotta find a live one next.
Yeah.